Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you know how important it is to keep up with your payments. Today, I'm going to show you how to pay your Chase Sapphire bill quickly and easily over the phone. This method is perfect if you're on the go or prefer a personal touch over online options. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Chase Sapphire card handy, along with your bank account details or the amount you want to pay. You'll also need a phone. Either your mobile or landline will work fine. The process is straightforward, but having everything ready will save you time. Step 1. Grab your phone and dial the Chase customer service number. You can find this on the back of your Chase Sapphire card or on their official website. It's usually 1-800-436-7927, but double check for accuracy. Once you call, you'll hear an automated voice system. Step 2. Listen to the menu options and follow the prompts. Typically, you'll press a number for payments or bill pay. It might ask you to enter your 16-digit card number or your social security number for verification. Go ahead and input that using your phone keypad. Step 3. Once verified, the system will guide you through entering the payment amount. Make sure to double-check the figure to avoid any mistakes. Then, provide your payment method, whether it's from a checking account or another card. The system might ask for routing numbers or account details, so have those ready. Step 4. Review the details. The automated system will repeat back what you've entered, like the amount and due date. If everything sounds good, confirm the payment. You'll get a confirmation number, which is super important. Write it down. Finally, after hanging up, you can check your account online or via the Chase app to ensure the payment went through. Remember, payments made by phone are usually processed within 1 business day, so you're good to go. That's it. Paying your Chase Sapphire bill by phone is simple and secure. If you run into any issues, Chase's representatives are there to help. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.